because the streets are deserted. Train rails are melting, highways are shut because of fires raging around. The sun's rays are so hot and dangerous that even taking a short walk outside can lead to death. We are not describing a movie plot. It is the reality in Europe today. Countries which previously had mild summers experienced temperature levels exceeding 40 degrees Celsius. Hospitals overflowed with patients with heat stroke. Forest fires started to spread all over the place. Crops started to die. Power systems were on their knees. The impact of this heat wave is already felt by thousands of people. According to scientists, however, this might not be a one-off situation. It might become the norm in Europe. But what is the cause of such a heat wave? Why is it different from the previous ones? Could this be a foreboding of things to come? Sit tight and find out why. Reasons behind extreme heat in Europe. In order to figure out why Europe faces such unprecedented temperatures right now, there is an urgent question to ask. Why Europe? Europe was never famous for its scorching summer climate, in contrast to the Middle East and North Africa. This continent was known for its rather moderate climate that made Europe quite suitable for living for many years. However, in the last decades, something has drastically changed. According to climate experts, Europe currently is experiencing a faster increase in temperatures compared to other continents, and twice as fast compared to the rest of the planet. In other words, every year starts for Europe from warmer conditions than the previous one. It means that current heat waves do not develop against the background of the climate of 1980 or even 2000. Now they start with the temperature level of the previous decades, which makes records more likely to be established again and again. Urban development adds to the problem. All cities have concrete buildings, asphalt roads, and glass skyscrapers that absorb heat during the daytime. As soon as the sun goes down, all those elements start emitting accumulated warmth back into the air. This is called the urban heat island effect and makes city temperatures several degrees higher compared to the surrounding areas. Another reason behind high temperatures is the change in the precipitation pattern. Drought causes the ground to get dried up and thus deprives Europe of one of the natural temperature-lowering mechanisms.